Hey guys, welcome back to another Cold Culture automotive video, and today we're going to be showing you how to start and use your F-150 if your key isn't working. So that means if your battery's dead, or maybe you go out on the lake and you jumped in with your keys in your pocket, or maybe you just lost your key. No matter what's wrong with it, as long as you have the physical key, this will make sure it starts up your vehicle and that you'll be able to do everything you need to do until you get that fixed. Now let's just jump right into it and get started. First thing I want to address, this key doesn't really do anything. It'll help you get into the vehicle, but it will not start your vehicle. There is nowhere for it to go. Nowhere. I can't put it in there. There's no like secret spot for it either. So this one right here that you may be thinking, well, I could just use this. It's actually for like your glove department, or even right here on your center console. That is what this key is for. It is not for any of that other stuff, or anything that really matters, I should say. So here's your key, no battery in it. Honestly, real quick, I want to talk about this because it's something that's always kind of really bugged me. Ford's had this type of key for a long time now. I don't think it's the worst key on the market, but it's definitely not the nicest. Hey, Ford, if we're getting higher model F-150s, let's mix up the key a little bit. Bronco says Bronco on the back, Raptor say Raptor on the back. Like, just say F-150. It's the #1 selling vehicle to ever exist in the history of ever. Just say it on the back of it. It would make me feel a little bit more special as an F-150 owner, and it would bring a level of premiumness to your vehicles when it comes to the key category. So, sorry, a little rant on my behalf, but it's always been something that annoys me. They throw the chrome on there, like that's supposed to mean something, but all it does is get kind of scratchy. So again, no battery. What do you do? Well, came to the right guy because I'm going to show you. The lights and stuff are still on in here. I am not gonna wait for all the lights to turn off to continue filming. Sorry guys, but what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna come over here into your cup holder, and then let's see if I can do this. I got freaking giant hands. Aha! Bam! What do you think goes there, I ask you? Well, I think that my fans are pretty smart. I think they could figure it out. But the key does! The fob, it fits perfectly. You have to take the real key out, but then the fob fits perfectly. So no battery in this right here, no battery in this one. So let's see if it actually starts up or if Ford is full of crap. Foot on the brake, like always. The button's lighting up. Ta-da! I love these animations, guys. Love these animations. There it is, guys. Started right up, no problem. And all you gotta do is place it right there. So again, if you ruin your key for any way, as long as you have this physical part, the battery could be dead, it could have gotten wet, it doesn't matter. What putting it in that hole does is it completes the circuit. They run wires through there, and this sort of, as far as Ford explains it, as far as dealerships and everything online explains it, it completes the circuit and allows it to start right up. I think this is really cool, guys. It feels very futuristic. Obviously, it'd be simpler if it just had like a turn start somewhere, something like that. We all know that they could have done that, but having that there, this isn't anything new to the 2022s, by the way, but having that there feels special. I don't know why it just does. I'm sure all automotive manufacturers have a way to start your vehicle, but I'm not sure if all of them are as cool as this one. Like I said before, Ford vehicles are going from NASCAR to NASA, and I came up with that on my own. Hey, if you guys see that somewhere else, let them know that the white boy from SoCal came up with that, because I think that's pretty clever that I came up with that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me that I'm getting so many views for my channel only really being alive for about 2 months. We just passed 250 subscribers. Let's get to 500. Get your kids' phones, because I know little kids aren't watching this because they can't afford F-150s, and my analytics tell me that you're all like 45-year-old white men. But get your kids' phones, get your wife's phone, subscribe to me on their phones. Do it. Get the whole house in on the Cold Culture action. Let them all know the knowledge of Ford F-150s that you need to know. And remember, guys, we don't just do Powerboost. My V8, my manly V8 is coming in very soon, and when it gets here, there's going to be a lot that gets done to that truck. Thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you, because I know you'll continue to support, and thank you for the comments that have just been lining my videos. Hey, I tried to reply to every single one of those. I love getting the conversation started, and I love getting to know you guys. So don't be scared to comment. Don't think that you look dumb, or like, I used to think to myself, only like what weirdos post comments on YouTube videos, but it's not true, guys. Like, a lot of you have been very kind and very nice and encouraging, and I really appreciate all the love, and I want to be able to give some of that love back to you guys. So comment and let's get some conversations started. Thank you again so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.